off-site manufacturing, the role of the PM. So a lot of when you're planning a project now, you will take into account what aspects will be prefabricated and then brought to site. What I'm now seeing is certain aspects where you isolate what component. That could be quite an easy example could be a concrete staircase, where if it's a design and build project, the project manager's involved from the very early stages to understand what the design's influenced. He'll start engaging with different suppliers, not just one. You'll deal with different suppliers. When it's in fabrication, you'll have a long lead-in time, so you need to award a package quite early on, early involvement for a contractor or a project manager. But when it's actually in fabrication, a lot of people do what's called vesting. So they'll pay a lot of money up front, so they want to actually physically inspect and go into the factory, understand how they operate and actually get an update from the factory as opposed to an update on site. It's the same concept. They need to monitor progress. It's just who they speak to now. It's not on site, it's physically somewhere else. So I see more reliance on machinery resource and off-site manufacturing as opposed to traditional build it on site. Partially because in certain cities the space you've got available is more congested, so you don't have necessarily the working space and the movement. Say London is a great example. You don't physically have the space to have nice big areas and working space and lay down area for loose materials. It all has to be manufactured and brought in and just built up like a Lego, for example.